a new video for you guys today. This is an unboxing. This is an Athearn Genesis Gp38-2 Union Pacific. I don't remember the number. It's either 563 or 643, I believe. I ordered it from Model Train Stuff on Saturday. I saw these were announced June last year, and I've been keeping an eye out for them, and I saw that they had them in stock. Saturday they had all the road numbers, so I ordered one. I'm going to change the number to something like this anyway here. This is the one I'm going to be doing, 660. But anyway, let's see what we got. I believe that's the only thing that's in the box. And I paid, I think it was about $250 for this. I got the Tsunami 2 sound. Alright, so typical boxing here. '75th anniversary, apparently. Got your user manual. Typical clamshell here. So I'm gonna unbox this. I'll move the camera. Trying to give you a better look at it. Alright, here she is out of the box. Nice detail, as expected from a Genesis. I don't see any issues at this moment with anything bent or missing. Those two little lights up top, that's pretty neat. All right, let's go give her a test run. All right, so I went and grabbed the manual. I'm gonna knock this volume down a little bit here. There we go. Let's see how the horn. Bell. Short horn. So I real quickly changed CV5, which is the max voltage to 80 and CV6, which is the mid voltage to 40. That's what I like to run most of my locos at. So, and then I also added brake screeching when it drops from speed steps. And it drops at least 3 speed steps. So if you go from 3 to 0 or 4 to 1 or 5 to 2, the brakes will squeal. So I'll show you real quick here. You can see it goes a lot slower. I have it at 4. Then I'll slam the brakes. You hear the squeal. Forward. Bumped it up to 4. Drop it to 1. So I go to 5. I drop it to 3. No brakes. See, no brakes. Now from 3 to 0, you get the squeal. I wanted to see how closely these locos' speeds are matched. They're both Tsunami 2, they're both Genesis. I set the new one to 4080. I believe the 1413 is a 4080, so let's see how close they are. It's like 1413 is a little bit faster. A little bit faster. So I just adjusted 643 to 90 max, 45 mid. Let's see how that works. Oop, now 643 is faster. Okay, so now I adjusted the start voltage on the new one, 643 to 1, so it'll go immediately just like 1413, and I set the mid to 42, and it seems like they're pretty much in sync. So here we go, let's take a look. Looks like that one's still faster. So going back to my original numbers here, 40 and 80. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. Hear the auto horn on 1413. Yeah, these are pretty close. Well, there we go, we got a consist. Pretty easy. Well, once you know how to do it. Just a little trial and error with a couple CVs. There's other ways to do it, I believe, as well, but for me, this is the easiest. And thanks for watching.